ISE 2019. Harold Newick here from Philips. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
We are in your booth in Hall 10.
Absolutely.
Right in front of your L-line series. Talk about this LED line.
Yeah, well, we have a lot of new products here. We introduced, besides our L-line, also a new media suite with Chromecast built in and some other really interesting stuff. But indeed, we are talking about our new LED line. We have introduced today, actually yesterday, some really nice new models. Two ranges, the 8000 series and the 9000 series.
Okay.
And in different sizes, different pixel pitches, obviously for different vertical approaches.
Yeah.
So for example, the one that we are standing in front of here, this is our 220 UHD LED display. It comes in modules of 27.5 inch with a form factor of 16:9, so very suitable for corporate rooms, entrances of big buildings, but also public venues. Our product is available in 1.2, 1.5 and 1.9 millimeter pixel pitch, obviously creating a larger display if you want to do UHD. This is the smallest UHD one, it's 220 inch,
Oh, wow.
It's 1.2. And if you take the 1.9, obviously you need a little bit bigger wall.
A little bit bigger wall and a little bit farther back, obviously.
Further back off, yes, correct. But I must say that the pixel pitches of all three sizes is so fine that even when you're close up, it's pretty good to look at.
Yeah. You guys have been working on this for quite for a couple of years.
Correct.
What's some of the feedback you've gotten from your clients?
Well, we got a lot of feedback from our initial trials. For example, people want to have a combination of two products. So on one end, a fixed size product, out of the box, completely everything in it. And on the other side, they want to have more creative style products, so building blocks where you can create your own.
Where you came
your
with,
own
yeah,
wall.
okay.
Yeah, so we have both. So you can build your own wall, as we call it, with the components. We have a tool for that, online tool, so you can easily set up your wall and it will calculate exactly the list of materials that you need. On the other hand, we have fixed products, 110, 137.5, 165, and a 220 inch pre-configured product. It's a complete product with everything in it. You just need a power socket, a relative big power socket, and let's say an HDMI connector, player, PC, and the whole thing is there.
Interesting.
Yeah.
You mentioned the fact that this is UHD.
Correct.
How important is that as you guys are obviously getting into the higher and higher resolutions?
Yes, well, we see, especially for corporate meeting rooms, that Full HD and UHD, those two standards are widely used. We see more and more UHD usage, as you also can see in our other lineup for sinus products. Everything is moving to UHD, and LED is not an exception. People don't see LED as LED anymore; they just see a big display without seams. So we are very big in video walls, in LCD video walls, and this is addition to that lineup, where people don't want bezels, they want a really nice uniform color experience of the product, and they want basically a single product without to have much configuration requirements. So a single product, one CTN, so let's say the 220 BDL 9112L, that's our L line, you just tick that box for that product and you get the whole product, everything in it.
You mentioned something about the move towards no bezels, right? For years and years and years, video walls were made up of multiple displays, right?
Correct.
And now you have stuff like this that is absolutely gorgeous.
So technically, this is also made up out of individual products. They're a little bit smaller, so they're easier to handle. Obviously, the alignment is with 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch is a little bit more crucial. But we have designed this product. We've done quite some work on that. We've been working on that for actually behind the scenes for quite some time. But we found a way to really nicely align them, so the build-up is relatively easy. And as you can see, this was done more or less overnight before ISE show, and the alignment is very acceptable, I would say. Actually,
yeah, very acceptable. Yes, that's a nice way to put it. Harold, if somebody's at ISE and they want to come by and see this or see your other stuff, how do they do that?
They can go online to our website, www.philips.co.uk or .com, or basically any other country site of us. And obviously they're very welcome to our booth.
Right.
Hall 10.
Hall 10, right. Harold from Philips. For more information about us, you can find us at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.